Hello guys and girls, my name is Charles from PocketReply Technology. So in this video, I will be adding an AI assistant or like a chatbot to this website, to this kids dental websites in under 5 minutes. It's actually a good looking website, but please note it's not a real website, so don't try to like book an appointment or anything with this website. It's used only for the purpose of this video and yeah. So firstly, to get started, you would go to any web browser of your choice, but for this tutorial, I would use Google. So you search for PocketReply.tech or just like basic Pocket Reply, and you click on search. So you would see the PocketReply.tech. Then you click on it, and it will take you to a simple home page that you can get started. So you can see it looks really easy, and you know what next to press by now. So you would click on create your chatbot. So I'll click on create your chatbot. So it would ask you what should we call your chatbot. But before we start, I would just add like a timer so it would be really accurate and see how long it would really take to be done with this chatbot. So I'll just keep it at the top, and now we can start our countdown timer. So I would start it now. So since we are creating a chatbot for this website, I would call it Suti like this. So we click on next. Now it's asking for like your knowledge source. So basically, this is what the chatbot will use to answer customers' question. Like you have to upload like your FAQs, product info, or documents about your business as well. So if you don't have that, if you don't currently have a document of like your knowledge source, you can always use our super scraper or autofill for my website. But since this is a basic website, I would use the autofill for my website. So it's basically I would type in kingskid.onrender.com. So there you go. So it's got the site. So I'll extract the page. So it's extracted all the information literally without even the super scraper, since it's just like a basic website. So I click on next. The next one is to customize the chatbot and choose like a widget icon to show on your website. So for this, and this would be a very crazy part because to get the exact color I need. So let's go for blue, but it's not like this blue. So I would like lighten it down a little bit. I would try something like this. I don't know if it's good, but yeah, let's go with this. And I would go with this widget icon. Then this is our conversation starter, but we can always change it. I would put in something cool like this. Hi there, I'm Suti, your friendly dental helper at King's Kid. I can answer questions about your child's dental care, appointment, pricing, and more. How can I help you today? So this would be the first conversation your chatbot would say. So basically, we would go with this one, and this is how it would look on your website. I think this really actually has like a good feel. Okay, so let's go next. And that's it. You already have your chatbot ready. So all you need to do is install it on your website, and PocketReply gives you like a very good detailed overview, step-by-step overview on how to install the chatbot on your website. If you're using like a WordPress site, 2 methods you can look out and try it out yourself. Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, AI built sites, or Google Tag Manager, anyone. But this one I'm just using like a custom HTML, and I already know what to do. So the next one, or you can always contact us for installation, and we would install it for you for free, in case you're like a little bit confused at this part. So I would just generate an agent embed. So it would create an agent embed for your chatbot and then take you to your dashboard. So this is Tutti. I already have some chatbots created already. So all you need to do is to copy this code. You click on it, so it's copied the code successfully. Then I go back to my code base, which is this. Then I scroll to the end of the code, the end of my HTML page, right here where the script is located, and I would basically just paste it right here. Okay, so to be more accurate, we would paste it right below this one, and I would save, and I would push it to GitHub. and I will say added a chatbot to King's Kid, and then I will commit, and then I will sync the change down. Okay, so I would close this Visual Studio, and also as we wait for it to launch, to redeploy and show on your website, you can always go to your dashboard. You can always edit your chatbot like this. You can always edit your chatbot, edit your knowledge source, your widget icons, the colors and stuffs like that, and your conversation starter as well. So I'll go back to my dashboard, and you can also preview your chatbot in real time right here as well. So I'll say hello, and yeah, so you see it works perfectly. Then I would go back to the website before our time is up, and I'll refresh the page, and there you go. There you go. So this is our chatbot currently, and yeah, I think we need to change something. Hold on. Change the widget icon. This. So we save the changes and go back and then do a quick refresh. There you go. So basically we just added like a chatbot to this website. Okay, so now we can send like some message to the chatbot, like see what it would answer in real time. I'll just clear this off from here. I think it's like it sends the point across, so it's really easy to add like a chatbot to your website. It shouldn't take like weeks or years or something like that. So let's ask some questions just for testing. So I would ask something like let's say, sorry. So do you offer like sedation for children who are really nervous or something? Do you offer like sedation? Oh, there you go. So it answers this. And then let's ask something else like, let's see, what should I do if my child knocks out a permanent tooth? What should I do if my child knocks out a permanent tooth? So it gives you like the response of it. What else can we ask? Let's say something like, at what age should I bring my child for their first dental appointment? You click on send. Okay. Within 6 months of the eruption of the first tooth, whichever comes first. So basically, it answers directly from the knowledge source. And if you ask it something like, who is the winner of the FIFA World Cup for 2025? Yeah, so it doesn't have the information. So it only answers with your knowledge source that you provide, with exactly what you provide in your knowledge source. So you can make updates, you can always edit the chatbot, you can always delete your chatbot as well, and change the widget icons and stuff like that. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully this video helped someone or helped like somebody. Yeah. Okay. Happy Canada's Day.